You know, your Monday afternoon tractor driving entertainment would work a lot better if you didn't run out of gas. Walked all the way down to the tractor, and then I'm coming back, and of course there's no gas. So got to walk all the way back up and get the gas. Damn it. Hopefully this is enough just to get from here up to the house up there, 1,000 feet or something. Well, it sounds like seems to be gas in it, but I know she come to a dead stop right here, just automatically thinks it's out of gas. No gas gauge on it. This is what I was coming up here for. I need that to finish my befor project. And we'll just open the gas valve. Dump the water out of the seat. Should have left that up.